Hello, everyone. I'm Nosha's avatar. This is the story of how I built Cherofunbia, a mobile app for under $500. I've been a PMP certified program manager leading global teams in technical and non-technical roles for over 10 years. Recently, I found myself in a position many of us are familiar with. I was part of the tech layoffs. I was a senior program manager at Amazon. But instead of just updating my resume, I decided to run a high ROI experiment. Could I take a simple idea and turn it into a live mobile app? And could I build the app from initiation to go live without being a coder? The idea was sparked during a trip to Austin, Texas with one of my good friends. We love exploring, but we found that general search engines kept pointing us towards generic nightlife that didn't fit our vibe or age group. And the best recommendations for what to do didn't come from an app. They came from talking to people on the street. I realized there was a gap between massive, noisy search data and curated, authentic experiences. I thought, what if an app could bridge that gap using the power of AI? Although I've managed global PMOs, helped build data centers, led tech M&As, and implemented DR solutions, I had never previously been a coder. So I approached this as a senior TPM, applying agile methodologies using a Scrum framework. While architecting the app, I leveled up my Google Cloud knowledge as a Google Cloud digital leader and Google Generative AI leader. I used Google AI Studio as my technical partner. I described my vision and logic to the AI. It helped me write the code and structure the backend. And because Google AI Studio did the coding for me, it allowed me to work in rapid sprints and stay within my strict $500 budget. 80% of my investment went into the corporate foundation, setting up the LLC, the EIN, the domain, and trademarking the logo. The remaining 20% was for the technology. I wasn't just building an app. I was building a compliant, scalable business. I moved from a concept to a live web-based product in weeks, proving that the barrier to entry for innovation has been completely dismantled by AI. From a business standpoint, I've integrated the Google Ads and AdSense frameworks, making the app fully monetization ready. The final hurdle was the last mile, getting into the App Store. Since I started off as a web app, I used a native container to wrap my web content, and I generated the IPA file needed for it to become a mobile app. Look for Cherofunbia in the Google Play Store and unbox your happy.
Cherofunbia, shake for next adventure.